guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in my bonnet, but don't worry, it won't last for long. Okay, so today we're gonna be trying a new look. I recently bought a wig from AsteriaHair. It is their 613 blonde straight lace front wig, 22 inches, 100% density. I had to get in a size large because my head is large, and it's 13 by 4 and the lace is transparent. So I did a little bit of coloring, and like, because I didn't want like platinum blonde, but I didn't really know what I wanted. I know this looks crazy, but I promise, like, once I'm done, you know, applying and stuff, it's gonna look good. Also, I used my bold hold lace tint already in the shade Caramel. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the products that I'm gonna use for, you know, when I do my install, and let's get into it. Also, I changed like the bold cat method. Well, y'all see. If you guys are interested in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. Let's get into it.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is. And I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe. And I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
What lace? Oh. 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 Woo! 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 Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Oh, what you looking for? Oh, where the lace at? I can't see it. I can't see the lace. Where?
Go close your hands so I can see. Where that though?
That's what I'm saying. I don't know. Maybe I done went blind. I don't know. Oh, can't see it. Don't know where it's at. My goof ass. Alright, let me see. Damn, that shit snatched the fuck up. I look like, ask me, is that my hair? I'm be like, yup. Period. This grew straight out my fucking scalp. Start playing with me. I bought it, nigga. No, I'm gonna be like that. I bought it. Oh my god. I could cry right now. And this is what it looked like. First of all, with lace, like it's not even there. Like, y'all, I look so freaking good. I was so scared, but everything turned out really good. I'm really enjoying this. If you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. Keep tuned. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for anybody who's been supporting me, who just started supporting me, and wherever the haters at, forget them because they're not important. Hope you guys have a blessed day. I will see y'all. Can tell I'm feeling good. But anyways, have a blessed day. I will see you guys in the next video.